In today's video, I've got a couple of websites to share with you, which I can guarantee probably 99% of you watching today's video, you will not have seen these websites before. I certainly haven't, and I've been looking at making money online for years, absolutely years, and it's the first time I've came across these two websites. Now, the websites we're looking at today, they have partnered with some of the biggest companies in the world. They still work with them, and I'm going to share with you how you can make money from these websites. And if you watch the video till the end, I'll also share with you how you can earn over $1,000 by sharing something on the websites with some of your friends and family, and they can earn money from this too. Okay, so look, all I ask in return is if you find this video useful, then please give it a like, drop a comment down below, and if you want more ways to earn online and from home, just go over to my website, Not Taught at School. You can see we've got lots of articles on here. So let's jump into the first website. This is the first one. It's called innercentive.com. Now you can come over here. Now, over on this website over here, let me go to the home page. We'll come over here and I'll show you how this works and how you can actually earn money with this. But the amount of money you can earn is just ridiculous. We can see, look, 15,000, 20,000, 75,000 over here. And there's lots more on here. I mean, look, 30,000. And we'll come back to those in a second. But basically, this website here pays you to solve the world's greatest challenges. Now, you can see here, look, harness the power of our global community of 500,000 problem solvers. Our global reach to million, what? Our global reach to million, okay, so basically this here is geared around companies who are looking to have their problem solved, and over on this platform there's 500,000 problem solvers. And it walks you through, how this all works, but, we're not interested in this. We're interested in this part over here, the challenges part, because this is where we can earn money. Now, over on the challenges here, you can filter this via different challenge types, you can filter it via status, and many more. Now, this website, if I scroll down here, you can see exactly what the challenge is about. So like this one over here, this is with the US Navy. We've got this one, and there's there's not hundreds on this website. At this moment in time, I think there's 56 of these. But basically, you can go into any one of these. And if we click on here, and we'll see what it tells you, what it's about. It also tells you the company and, different things. So this is the award, it's $20,000. Come further on the page, it will tell you an abstract about this. It will give you an overview of this, and then, basically other things that they want. So look, at this is a guaranteed reward. The award will be paid to the best submissions as determined by the seeker. It's up to $20,000, and also they've got prizes being awarded no smaller than $5,000 here, okay? And then if we come down here, this is the company. So you can see, more about the company, what they're actually looking for, why to partner with these. And you can also look at other ideas, what people have submitted, okay? And you can even break it down further if you want and see, whereabouts they are from in the world, if you really wanted to. Excuse me. So this is the first website is this one over here. Now the other thing is, you may not be able to participate in some of these challenges for, whatever reason. But if I come over here, let me go to here. Let me go to the home page and show you this. Because you can actually, let me try this again. So incentive. Let's go over here. I'm going to click on here because you can actually scroll down here. So you see this one here, look. This is the challenge, seeking vessel owners. Well, who's got a vessel nowadays? However, look, you can see on the right hand side, if you refer a suitable candidate, you can earn a finder's fee of up to $1,000 on somebody, participating in this challenge here. So, even if you can't apply to all of these challenges, if you know somebody who may be able to apply, then guess what? You can sign up on this website completely for free and send that challenge over to someone who may be interested in this or be able to actually participate in this challenge here. It's pretty cool. And this website, they've been around for a number of years. They've paid out over $60 million. So that's the first website. It's called innercentive.com. Now, the next one I want to share with you is this one over here. This one is called, not this one, this one over here. This is called Idea Connection. Similar process. This company here, if I scroll down, I want to show you this. Where's it gone to? If you click on case studies, you can look at past, case studies. You can look at past ideas and different things what people have submitted on here, and it works in a similar fashion. So we come here, and we can see here, look, it's available in 180 plus countries. They've had over 1,000 plus challenges on this website over here, and you can see on here, look, some of our amazing clients we work with. We've got Nike over here, the brand Nike, huge companies, Fujitsu, and many more. So on this website, you come over to here where it says Become a Solver, or at the top, and if you click on that, it basically walks you through this whole process. So if we scroll down here, look, Become a Solver, work from home, stay safe. Average earnings for this platform here are $5,000. And if we scroll down the page here as well, it just basically walks through this process. So you can see here, once you agree to work on a problem, you're given details of the challenge, and you are then introduced to your team members, and teams comprised of 3 to 4 peers. So it's pretty straightforward. Now, similar to what we looked at over on the last website, you can also refer people, friends, family, work colleagues, whoever, over to this platform. And you can earn, look, you can see here, look, refer a colleague. If they sign up as a problem solver and they solve a challenge, you will receive $500. So, it's a good way for you, to start earning, a bit of, well, it's basically passive income, isn't it? If you can refer someone over to this platform over here. So, you're not going to be able to participate in these every single day. And, it might be, you don't win, obviously, every single one of these that you take part in, but it's just an option for you. And these two websites that we've looked at today, these have both been around for, sorry, let me close this. These have both been around for a number of years. Now, I'll share with you one last website if you like this idea of, participating, giving research, feedback and other bits, whereby you can actually earn money. Now, it's not as much money as these two websites here, but you've probably got a bit more potential to earn on this website. So this one over here is called Respondent. Now, over on this website, it works in a similar fashion in the fact that Respondent, they've been around for a number of years. They've partnered up with lots of companies. And if we scroll down here, you can see inside of my account here, there's currently 56 projects. Now, if we scroll down here, you can see, look, personal care products. So this is a research platform. One of their clients, basically, they want to speak about your personal care products that you use. If you qualify for the study, you'll be asked to participate in a 60-minute interview on these dates here, and you'll get paid $100 for participating in a research group about personal care products here. And again, you can scroll down here, look, seeking UK national Tesco shoppers to talk about self-care and toiletries. So, I mean, this is ideal, isn't it? Look, men that are in the UK and shop at Tesco's to talk about self-care, and $100 for 60 minutes. That's just two. And literally, look, do you use this app? If you use an app, you can earn money. Another app, earn money. There's loads and loads inside of this website over here. So this is called Respondent, but that's just a couple of different ways how you can earn money online and from home. They're straightforward. Well, I say they're straightforward. It depends which challenge that you're participating in. But there are just a few ideas of how you can make some money online and from home. If you want more resources for this, as I've mentioned, you can go over to my website and check these out. But look, that's today's video. Hope you found it useful. If you've got any comments or questions, please let me know. But thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.